All right, welcome to our video today. Okay, so today, right, we're going to talk about what topic? That's what we're going to talk about. Okay, we're going to talk about Fed cut. Okay, will the Fed cut, okay, cause the SGX stocks or REITs to go higher? Okay, at the end of this video, we choose 5 potential stock in Singapore exchange, okay, to watch. How about that? Okay, so what do you think? Right, recently, okay, by the way, beside me, this is Caleb, okay, and I am Andy. Do like and subscribe to this channel because every week we will have new video, okay, so new video to update, what's going on in the market, our view in the market, and some of the profitable stocks. Okay, so later on we share with you, okay, some of the profitable stocks. Okay, so today, actually, I think we start from the profitable stocks. Okay, what is the stock that you are most happy about recently?
Okay, there are a few stocks, okay, particularly of course in the Singapore market, right? Okay, one of the stock like for example Keppel's, okay, it's a blue chips, okay, and no one expect that the Keppel, these stocks will keep moving up and moving up, all right?
Okay.
But of course there are many stocks, in fact, okay, even though the penny stock are moving up as well, mid cap stock are moving
Wow,
up
really?
as well.
Wow, this is the couple, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a Keppel.
Wow. Okay, $6 all the way up to almost 9 already. One of the best. Okay, one of the best. I think there are a lot more. Okay, later on, one by one, we also mention along the way. And at the end of the session, okay, because some of these right already up, right?
Yeah.
Already up. Some people they don't like it. They don't like the stock already up. Okay. So later on at the end of the session, after we go through all the stocks, right? Then we tell you, what are the maybe 5 potential, okay, 5 potential. Either uptrend go higher or recently, just started to move or maybe haven't moved yet. Okay. So yes, okay, Keppel is one of the stock, right? Okay. Any other thing?
Okay, and another one is like ST Engineering, I think quite nice.
Okay, ST Engineering.
Last month pulled back aggressively, but
Wow, okay.
then rebound strongly.
Rebound strongly. I think last month also I talked about this.
Really,
turn around or something like that. Yeah. Okay, so there's a bottom signal. Wow, the bottom signal that really pull back very strongly. Wow, chun. Okay, so by the way, this system, right, is a NDU system. You can, if you want to find out more, just comment below about this system where we actually the blue color, this is an entry point, and the red color is actually telling you the downtrend. Okay, so yeah, okay, so beside ST Engineering,
Yangzijiang Shipping.
Yangzijiang Shipping, okay, also one of the stock, okay, that must know, okay, you must know, that this is going on the uptrend, okay, going on the uptrend. So, I think I helped them to ask, a lot of people, they will ask like, how about like sets, sets and the REITs this kind of stock or Genting Singapore.
Or SATS.
SATS.
Or SATS was one of my favorite actually.
One of your favorite also.
I think it's a growth stocks, all right.
Okay.
And of course, I mean recently, it went up, right? Okay. And if you compare with the previous high, was $4. Okay, right now it's around $3.48.
Okay, so SATS previously was $4, right?
Yeah.
Then now it's $3.40 something. Okay.
And the price is actually moving up slowly. I think it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay because if you compare with other stock like Keppel's, Yangzijiang already went up. So if you're asking me which one is still not moving up yet, but this one is slowly.
Okay.
I mean, it's already moving up, but slowly. Okay, but it still does not reach the high yet. Okay, I think still have a potential.
A bit slow, right?
Is that not slow? You might want to use some. If you are the advanced trader, you might want to use some
leverage.
CFD.
Yeah.
For example.
Okay. By the way, Caleb, right, is our CFD specialist. Okay. So if you want to know more about how to use leverage, right, okay, you do find out more from Caleb. Okay, find out more from Caleb. You can follow his Instagram. Okay. Instagram, the handle is
Caleb Guns GNCL.
Okay. So yeah. Okay. So anyway, okay, let's move on. Okay, let me just share something. Okay, I think one of my favorite, especially today, okay, is this stock, right, called SMIC. So this stock, right, actually is listed in Hong Kong. Okay, listed in Hong Kong. So, wow, this stock actually went crazy, you know. Okay, these few days, it went crazy. Okay, so it went up, and then I think today, right, okay, it's even like, you know, go even higher. Okay, let me just refresh this. Okay, so what happened, right, is the semiconductor sector. Okay, but a lot of people, they will ask like, the semiconductor sector, wow, today go crazy, like 11%.
Oh,
11%. So okay, so a lot of people will be asking like, yeah, like that, how can we buy in Singapore? If you follow our channel, actually past few months, we already talked about this SMIC. If you look at you know, like example, this, you look for SGX uh SDR, okay, Hong Kong, SGX SDR Hong Kong, right? Okay, so basically this Singapore depository receipt, right, means you can actually buy the stock, the Hong Kong, the Thailand stocks, right, in Singapore, okay, in Sing dollar. And one of the stock is this SMIC. So the code is HSMD. Okay, HSMD. So when you look at this thing here, HSMD, right? Okay, HSMD, right? Okay, this is SMIC SDR 5 to 1, Singapore listed. Okay, so this one, right? Wow, actually, a lot of people, they don't know. They don't know, right? And besides this, do you know other stock that is going up? Hong Kong one.
I think Tencent.
Yes. So Tencent also is actually, you know, doing very well, right? So again, if you don't know, okay, Alibaba is HBBD, and this Tencent is HTCD. So when you look at this, right, wow, actually this Tencent also favorite, one of my favorite, because I think very steady, very steady.
I mean, do you realize that after the Federal Reserve cut the interest rate, right, the Hong Kong market run up? Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah. After the Fed cut rate, okay. So what does this mean in the next few months? What do you think?
Well, okay, there are a few thing that you need to take notes because when the market went up like this, okay, you have to be careful also, right? Because we do not know when are they going to slow down, right? So
Yeah.
when everyone is so happy, right, usually the thing will trigger. Okay, right. So you can see that I mean, if you realize, right, I mean, the price of Tencent, Alibaba, and SMCI that you mentioned, right, it actually went up before the
Yes.
interest rate cut. Okay, so stock market is always
Yeah.
move forward.
And I think when the Hong Kong stock go up, right, the US stocks are actually stagnant.
Yeah,
Huh?
exactly.
The US stock never move, the Hong Kong stock go up. Okay, so basically, okay, for investors, right, actually, you all must know, okay, you all must know that this SDR, I think we mentioned many times. In fact,
Yeah.
in January, we also have this, this event, right, in February, SGX, okay, we were in
January, actually.
January, right? We talk about like Hong Kong not yet up, you can buy SDR. Everybody think, we like talking nonsense. Yeah.
I mean, most of them still focus on Singapore market.
Yeah, this is what I'm thinking about. Okay,
Nothing
but
wrong.
nothing wrong, still good lah. But anyway, let's come back to the pure
I mean, okay,
Singapore.
maybe you can share with us what is the benefit, I mean, for this SDR.
I think it's an exposure lah. You can use your Sing dollar to get into, some of this. Like example, this CATL.
I see. Okay.
Wow, this CATL. Like you must know HCCD. You must know that. Okay, this must be put in your watch list. Okay, must watch this, because this stock, okay, is up and up and up. Okay, 50% over the last one over month.
Okay.
Okay, so actually Singapore right now is very interesting. Okay, very interesting. A lot of stocks is actually going up strongly.
Yeah. I mean, for those of you who are still new in the Hong Kong market, okay, and then you do not like to convert your Sing dollar to Hong Kong dollars, then SDR might be for you lah. Okay.
Yes.
So this is one of the way for you to participate in the Hong Kong stocks market through SGX exchange.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you will get the dividend in Singapore dollar as
Yes,
well.
you get Singapore dollar. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that's good lah, because eventually you also want to have more choice lah. Okay, more choice. Okay, let's come back. Okay, the top 5. Okay, potential. Okay, top 5 potential. Okay, so for me, right, I think I choose one first lah. Okay, so first of all, right, I feel that the Singapore banks actually pull back recently. So of course, by right lah, there is a lot of other stronger stock, like stronger stocks. But if you look at Singapore market, right, okay, Singapore market, a lot of stocks actually is up already. Okay, a lot of stock is actually very strong. All these small cap they all shot up already. Okay, so for me, I think if all these stock already up, you still chase it now, maybe not the best thing to do lah. Okay, so for me, okay, first thing is, if you look at the banks are a bit stagnant. Okay, but today start to move already.
Yeah.
Okay, but UOB still very slow. Okay, UOB still very slow. So if those people make money and want to play defensive, can also look at the banks.
Anyway, it's your
Yeah.
view when the interest rate is cut, right? I thought banks supposed to be so sensitive to
Yes,
the interest
yes,
rate,
yes.
but how
Yeah.
come you still
Okay.
talk about the Singapore bank?
Okay, so first of all, right, this is a different strategy. Okay, so you can have a trend strategy, and you can have like defensive. After you make money, you put money into something that is stable. I'm talking to, if you never make money, then you still buy the bank. Maybe your portfolio too safe rate. Like those people who buy REITs, everything never move, and then they still buy bank, then everything still never move. I'm talking in the direction that everything is moving. You already got the stock that is doing very well. Then now maybe you, after you eat too much meat, you eat some veggie like that lah. Okay, that's my idea lah. So okay, so what I see is maybe sector rotation. That's one thing, and of course interest rate. Might cause the bank have a lesser net interest margin and all that. But sector rotation will sometimes just happen and bull market, usually bank stocks will follow eventually will go up that's what we see okay, so yes, okay, so what about Caleb? You got any?
Yeah, I mean recently people talk about Intel,
Ah.
and then the local people then they link up this Intel with AEM Singapore.
Intel AEM.
Okay, maybe you can take a look at the chart. AEM
Okay,
Singapore.
AEM. Let's take a look at AEM. Okay, so AEM.
So what happened to this Intel? Basically, the drama from the Donald Trump. Okay, after discussion, I have some discussion with the Jensen Huang from Nvidia, right? And then Jensen Huang also invest in Intel, and then I think the US government also invest in the Intel. Am I correct?
Yes. Yeah, I
So
think
you
so.
can
Yeah.
check through this on Google, and then finally, the Intel was sleeping was so long, right? The stock price, and then finally, shoot up. Okay? So
okay.
many people got shocked or surprised. Okay, so those people who do not manage to get in, right, the Intel, then they look at the AEM. So this is what I know because I got many clients, friends
Keep on asking
about AEM. Okay.
AEM.
So what is your view about the AEM?
Wow. Okay, so leave your comment below. Okay, if you're watching this AEM story, okay, leave your comment below. Okay, so yes, okay, that's a good one. All right, any other stocks? Okay, let's take a look. Okay, so if right now, okay, we want to find something that is very strong, okay, we will rank based on the power. So by right, all these soil build, okay, these are the very, very strong stocks. Construction, very strong. Okay, but not for everybody. Okay, so you can see engineering construction is the strong trend this year. Okay. I think this Hong Leong Asia are quite nice. Okay, quite nice. And right now it is near the support level. Okay, so if you ask me the 5 stock just now, you choose AEM, then I choose one is this bank UOB lah. Okay, play safe one okay, and then I will choose one more is Hong Leong Asia. Okay, I'll choose one more is Hong Leong Asia. So okay, so Hong Leong Asia basically is just looking at the chart. Okay, this stock is a long-term uptrend. Okay, recently this is quite a consolidation, and then now start to move again. So Hong Leong Asia, okay, and good volume lah. All this is
What are
very
they doing actually?
okay. Actually, I also not sure.
Consumer cyclical or industrial auto
So
manufacturing.
okay, so for okay, Hong Leong Asia. So let's search here. Hong Leong Asia. Okay, so Hong Leong Asia, you can go to see national financial. Okay, so yeah. Okay, from what I know, it's Hong Leong Finance lah, but Hong Leong Asia. Okay.
So there are many stock pop up recently.
Recently,
in
yeah,
Singapore
it's very
market. So it's quite
diversified.
interesting, right?
Yes.
So it's actually we learn new thing and then we also learn new company as well. Interesting. Because,
Yeah.
you know, last time we used to look at those traditional company like Genting, Sembcorp, Marine, those cannot move one.
Okay, so this one is precast. Do the precast Lego for HDB.
I see.
Okay, building material. So
this one 包价one.
包价 one.
包价.
Okay, so anyway, yeah.
Okay.
So let's move on, right? Next one. What stock?
Okay, I think I will choose Yangzijiang Finance.
Okay, Yangzijiang Finance. Wow, Yangzijiang Finance. Okay, so Yangzijiang Finance also very strong uptrend. Okay, so by the way, those people who are on the uptrend one, right? You must know when the trend change. Okay, so these are the very good strategy for bull market. Okay, very good strategy for bull market, because bull market, right, you want to catch the trend. You don't want to have all your money stuck in the stock. You know, those cannot move on. Okay, so Yangzijiang Finance. So we have how many stocks? We have 5 stocks, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 5 stocks already.
And then Andy, I want to ask you this question.
Yeah.
There are some retail investors, they have this strategy. Okay, because since so many stocks already went up, why not they choose this stock called Wilmar? They say haven't moved yet.
Wilmar.
You say bull run, right? Why not choose Wilmar? Haven't moved yet.
Please, the Wilmar.
Okay, why?
Yeah, please Wilmar is one of the weakest. The weakest weakest as in, okay, the whole market, right? If you look at the stage 4, okay, there's not many stock in stage 4, right? Not many. Wilmar is one of them. Okay, so what we need to be careful is the one that is the downtrend, make new low one. Stage 4 sometimes is okay, but the one that make new low something not so good something is wrong somewhere, because the whole market is moving this stock for so long never move, and still $2.80 something.
Okay. I see.
So last time this Wilmar actually started from 50 cent. Okay, 50 cent. So from 50 cent then so what if it go back to last time?
Maybe. I mean, if you look at the Singapore right now, the SDI new high,
Yes.
and then bank stock is moving up, mid cap, small cap is moving up. You think about it, okay, if this stock is still at the very low, what if SDI crashed down? What will happen to these stocks?
Yeah.
Imagine, all right?
Yeah.
I think they will go down much more faster.
Okay. So what about SIA?
Wow. This stock always, what do you call that?
I think the money very hard to earn.
It's not easy.
Okay.
It's not easy.
Yeah. Okay. So as a trader we are at a point of view. Our point of view is as a trader. Okay. So as a trader, we want to trade something that is easier to make money. So easier to make money means the trend is going up. Okay. So we don't study in depth the fundamental, the undervalue. Yeah, all this because we are pretty busy with our work. So if you are busy, somebody who are busy, you want a simple way to to navigate in the market. Okay, you can use our strategy, which is looking at the trend, looking at the uptrend stocks. I think after how many years? 15, 16 years
15, 16 years.
In the industry. Okay, we really
So Andy, just now you mentioned you're so busy. What are you busy at? Maybe you can share with us.
Yeah, I think recently we just travel along a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, we travel a lot so we travel a lot, and then
I see.
Yeah,
busy traveling.
Yes, and also we just finished our 3 days stock market challenge.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you miss out the 3-day stock market challenge, you can type and join our next one. Okay, we will update you next time when we get the date. Okay, just type in the comment if you want to join our class, our event. Okay, and yeah, you got any upcoming class or what?
Oh, just finished actually.
Or just
Maybe,
finish? Okay,
next 2 weeks.
2 weeks later. Okay,
2 weeks later.
what did you talk about?
Okay, usually I will talk about the price actions and then how to use the leverage for the bull run. Right now we are in the bull market, right?
Yes.
So if you want to speed up your profit, okay, you should learn the new tools, okay? But of course, I will focus on, the risk management, all right? How to use the leverage tool in a proper way, in a safe way. I think that's
Okay.
crucial. Yeah.
And yeah, I think you also talk about like what Donald Trump and all this interest rate. Your
Yeah, exactly. I mean, we are in this industry, all right? So we have friends who are investing in the stock market. These are the story that usually I get it from my friend. I don't read news too much, right? So that's what I know. Okay, then after that, I do spend some time read through. Oh, that is really.
Wow.
And another thing is that I think risk asset, like for example, high risk asset is moving up. So
yes,
like, for example, last night US market,
Wow. Okay,
like
very good.
cryptocurrency related stock, Ethereum,
Oh my God.
Solana. Wow.
Yeah, very good. Okay, so anyway, okay, yes, okay, if you want to find out more, okay, see the link below this video. And yeah, remember, before you go, please like and subscribe to this channel. Every week we will post new video, and all this video will benefit you to help you to find good stocks and make money in the market. Okay, so thank you for watching. We see you next time. Bye bye.